welcome to my new video. This time I made this cute little Pippin bunny in a forest, in a winter forest. I'll show you what materials I used, and then after that you can take a look at the video about what I did. I tried to do this entire card with distress ink. That almost worked out, except for the bunny I stamped with the Versafine Clair. Well, let's take a look at the materials. First of all, you need a piece of cardboard, watercolor paper, 300 grams, and fold it in half. That works the best. Then you will need some old ugly washi tape you don't use anymore, and there's a piece of purple tape I used to tape my work on my stamping stamp press, on my stamping platform, which is over here. Don't forget, you need one for this technique. I used some acrylic ink from Liquitex. You can also use white watercolor, gouache, or something like that. Doesn't really matter. I used for the highlight in the bunny and the mushrooms, I used a white pencil and a paper stump to fade it a bit. Then some watercolor brushes. Doesn't really matter which one, or just use whatever you have. This needs to go. Then we have the distress inks. Well, for the greens I used the peeled paint and the forest moss. For the grays I got the iced spruce and a bit of black soot to make some gray a bit more intense. For the trees here in the background I used the antique linen combined with the iced spruce. For the shading I used the chipped sapphire and the brushed corduroy I used here for the mushrooms. So, and combined with the Versafine Clair. That's basically all the inks you will need. And bye bye. Then, before I forget, a piece of masking tape to mask off those little areas where you don't want ink to come. And last but definitely not least, the stamps. For, well, the mini slender mushrooms I used the mini Pippin. For the trees I used first the big one, the fairy fir tree, a little smaller, the fairy fir tree number 2, and then we got the fir tree, the regular fir tree, and fir tree number 1, and then the last thing is the small branch. All those stamps you will see coming by in my video. The video is unspoken this time, so it's but I think it's clear what I'm gonna do. I wrote some stuff down in the video, so should be okay. I wish you all the fun making this card. Thanks for watching at the start of the video, but still, thanks for watching, and have some fun, please.